Hey, top of the morning, my friends. Top of the morning. Subscribers, viewers from all over the world. Why, respect every time, you know. Jamaican anglers here again, you know. Boy, this morning is a nice morning. We're going out this morning, you know. You remember this lure? Well, I didn't show you this one. Right, but I made some adjustment to the ones that I made the last time. So you're going to test this one now in trolling and see if this one can work. Seafood man, what do you think about this lure?
Yes, man. Like you can find something today.
Can find something today with it?
Fish, you know?
Yeah, maybe we can hook up with it because we're going to test it out today. So we're going trolling today to test these lures. This one and the other one. You know, I put about 5 feet of wire on it and then I use this here to keep it down, to get a little depth from it. This is 4 ounces, 2 ounces, see there? But I'll show you the rigging, when I'm rigging it up, I will show it to you. Yeah, so we're going out today again, you know, trolling. So as you can see, it's a nice morning. Mr. Seafood man, dress up the door.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, trash out.
Yeah, definitely.
Yeah.
Yeah, so you know, what me I use, you know.
Yeah. Yeah, the people in always supposed to explain the gears that you're using. What are you using again?
What I'm using is I'm using a 3D crystal, you know, Uzuri greenback. I catch a lot of fish on it already, so I'm using it today.
Yeah, and the rod and the reel. Show the people. Them always want to know what kind of combo you're using.
Yeah, I'm using a combo, pen fierce combo, right? Pen fierce 8,000.
8,000.
Series 8,000 with a 7 feet rod.
One piece rod.
One piece. But what is a like
the pen fierce man, graphite, nice rod.
One piece, 50 to 30 pound line.
Yeah.
So today.
And that rod catch a lot of fish, you know.
Yeah. So today we're going to use this today.
Yeah. Everybody know my settings already, you know. Right? My settings is this, you know. You don't know already. I'm not giving away the name of this reel because I'm going to have a little quiz one day. See this reel? See this reel? Look at it. I'm going to have a little quiz one day, and I'm not going to tell you guys what it name. Anybody can tell me what this real name? I will tell you what you win. Yeah, I used to sit here. I don't even tell you the rod. Maybe you see it already still. You're going to have to watch your videos to know what kind of rod and reel I'm using. Alright guys, so guess what? You see, as soon as we hook up, we get back to you guys, you know. So we're going to set up and come back to you. So come.
Straight out of deep.
Straight out to going. Yeah man, fish on, fish on. Fish on man. Eh? Yeah, but like, we have to take that. Wall is first. We'll take me wind up that one. Yeah, nice fish. Oh yeah. Depends on how you hook. Depends on how you hook. Yeah, that's that. Yeah, man. No, man, no. Jack, just shake some. A jack. Look for a big jack here then, man. Must be a big jack. Come on, it's a jack. Jack. Good then. Oh, come here, Jack. Come here, Jack.
Come in, Jacko.
Jacko. Yeah. Come out in daylight. Here, come up. Come here. Yeah, you're stubborn, eh? You're stubborn, Jack. Watch him, too. Watch him, too.
Poverty.
Whoa. Yo, hold on pan him, hold on pan him. Yeah. Yeah. Fish on, what's up again? Fish on, fish on, fish on. Fish on, right, fish on. Box, what am I gonna do now? Well, I'll put him back down here. Fish on, right. They're small. Yeah, one. Come on, fish on. Ah, that's it. Ay, you got my face. Kevin, turn away there. Turn away there. The boat. Gone. Oh boy. No. There's one more, just take it. Yep. Whoa, 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 whoa. That's it. Kevin. Don't want to forget about it. Big. See, quick now. Alright, yeah. Ah, yeah. Hold it. Hold it. Carry him in the neck back there. And the way like you chop off the civil. Is that them doing now? Alright, you're ready. Full loop out time right now. I'll deal with that one. Another place. Right, I never expect this at all now, guys. This is crazy in this one, I never expect this one. Sure. I did clip him bite off now, see that? See that? He bite the clip right at the clip, one little shine clip man, that's why. Watch out man. Fish them. See that guys? Fish bite off the clip and everything, you know, watch it. A lot of bait around this ship here, so trying to make 2 circles around it. We got 4 hook up a while ago. Lose 1 bait, 1 lure and the fish. Lose 1 fish, 1 lure. Or the catch 2 of them. Right along the ship here. I don't know, we find them a while ago right here, so. But that was right here a while ago. A big one that, you know. Fish on to rat it. Yo, it's a big one that, you know. No man, you know see him twist the thing there. Ratted. Backside. Yeah, you know see him ring out. I'm gonna draw with a rod. Is that kingfish? Or is that jack? That like more like, is that jack around that, you know? Yeah.
Oh, the seafood man hook up.
Oh, I tell you, the seafood man hook up a while ago, you know.
I must take the whole of my rod.
Oxide.
Jack.
Jack. I tell you, the way he move a while ago, you know, man. Him powerful, man. He almost pop off the rod holder. Take it hard though. No, I come easy, sir. I come easy, sir.
Kingfish.
Yeah, because I come easy. You do it yourself, I man. Yeah, if you want to do it yourself, you can do it yourself. Yeah, man, see if you want to hook up that, you know. But I tell you. Nice kingfish though. Although you arrest him, still get you. Boy, I tell you, you know. Watch it. See if you want to arrest him and him still get you. A powerful kingfish that come like the bad man them out here. Them bad.
Arrest.
Yeah, arrest him seafood man. Yeah man, good one. Man, you swing out here now, you know. Release him. Gone with my lure. Putting on back another one, you know, because it seems to be biting the blue back. Seems to me they're biting the blue back lure, so I'm putting on another one. I have another one as spare, but still want another one, a brand new one. Keep that one.
Flash my way, I want to go to the water. I want to fish.
Fish, two, double hook up. Shucks, man, the big man. Boy. No man, this one a big. Ratted, no man. A top one. A kingfish there? I can't a kingfish there. You serious, a kingfish there? Or a stingray? I wanna feel stiff man. Guys, double hook up on the man. Oxford, seafood man and the bass hook up now man. Yeah, tell the man, come move man. Go out, look. Kevin, drive the way there. Yeah, Jack, with you. Now tell him so on, Jack. Oh, we have to exercise. Could want to exercise, man. Dude, see if we want to exercise there, but right. How that? Pump on wine. Right, it all the rod mash up. Oh, I tell you, remind me of the top one. But guess what? This is a big fight. A Jack fight. Come on, Jack, come on, don't play with me. You're wasting my time. You're wasting my time, Jack. Come on. Them Jack hit like some 17-pound Jack, man. Yeah, some 17-pound Jack, this one. First. No, so the top one, we catch the top one easier than this. Oh man. Serious? No man. Oh man, no, something not right. a jig them get jig or them get snag, man. Yeah, trust me. Eh? Nah, man. Them jack here, is either them get snag or something, man. Because them jack here feel too powerful, man. You guys? Why not for comment down below, you know, and tell me, you know. I want to think, you know, cause why? At the first, me I fight a jack so long. Wonder for Marlene. Eh? Wonder for Marlene. Oh man. Oh man. Man. How much pound do you look like? Sir, you're supposed to be feel bigger than that, man. Oh man, Mashaka. Massive. What? That one looks small. Pick him up. Come here, carry up that one to see. How that one here have me down there so long? Hmm? Tell her the breeze come up and come catch you. I'm big, fit you, mine bigger than that. Yeah, what thing there? Take him up.